Round 2 of the UAP volleyball season begins, and as the athletes get ready to bring their A game, here on Upfront, we unleash the fun side behind the fierce competition. Welcome to the show, mga kapamilya. Ako si Tours Daza.
At ako si Martin Javier, and as we dish out more UAP goals, today, we are going to be joined by one of the best young athletes here in the country. Let's say hello to our guest co-host. He is the UAP Swimming Rookie of the Year and DLSU Green Tanker. Let's welcome on up front, Sacho Ilustre.
Sacho! What's up, bro?
Kumusta?
Okay lang. Okay.
Papasok
May papasok, may
kasama naman yung swimming.
Yeah!
Ayan, yun na yun eh.
Ganun yun pala yung proper way. Okay.
Pero meron akong
Freestyle.
tanong. Sacho, kamusta naman yung feeling na ikaw ang Rookie of the Year sa
Well,
swimming?
actually, I'm drowning with emotions right now, bro.
Nalulunod?
Wow, hindi ka na lulunod sa tubig,
Hindi,
pero...
Sa emotions na lulunod.
Okay ba? Sensitive
Lubog,
guy.
lubog.
Parang may hugot yan ah.
Sensitive guy, guys. Pero aside from being Rookie of the Year, Sacho is also a 4-time UAP Juniors MVP and 3-time palarong pambansa MVP. Grabe. Sacho,
Ikaw na po.
how to be you po?
I mean, I guess for me, it's really important to have an idol. For me, it's Michael Phelps, the
Michael
most decorated
Phelps.
Olympian in the, in the world.
In the world,
Yeah.
not just swimming.
Not just swimming, yeah. All sports.
All
He's
sports.
he's the GOAT, actually.
So
the
that's
goat talaga.
that's
Pero
how we
guys,
achieve that.
We're gonna get to know more about Sacho later on in the show. Pero ngayon, hosting goals muna tayo. G ka na?
G.
Gina G. So guys, let's kick off the show with one of our favorite segments, the Upfront Bag Raid.
And it's my fellow Lasallian's turn to reveal what's inside her bag. She's May Luna, who finally won her spot in the starting 6 this season. Let's see if she's got some lucky charm inside her bag.
Hi, I'm May Luna from the DLSU Ladies Spikers, and now I'm going to show you what's inside my bag. So, yung una, syempre yung mobile phones. Yung isa may picture, yung isa wala. So, yung first phone ko is siya yung like sa mga text, call, ganon. Kasi sobrang konti lang ng gig niya. So, wala siya masyadong apps. Pero nito yung mga important photos. Ayan, mga personal photos and skeds. Yung group of friends ko, sila Maika, si Fiona, si Daryl, tsaka yung si David, tsaka ako. So, yung family ko kasi nasa Davao. So, ayun, parang ginagawa ko silang wallpaper and ayun, para maging inspiration ko sila everyday since hindi ko sila nakikita. So, at least sa picture or dun sa mga Instax photos, dinidikit ko sila sa mga wall para pagising ko, nakikita ko sila. So, parang motivated ako na mag-training and sa mga games. Tapos yung second phone ko naman, meron siyang tatak, yung Glory and Honor. Title siya ng song, isa siyang worship song, which is parang ino-honor mo si God. And nandito yung favorite app ko, which is yung Spotify. And nandito yung mga pre-game music ko, which is yung Live Loud din. And yung mga worship songs, tsaka late na yung mga pang-pump up. Pero mga R&B siya and 90 songs. Second item is, ayan, may pouch ako dito. So yung laman ng pouch is earphones, tapos yung cord ng phone, yung charger, and especially yung power bank. Kasi ayaw ko talaga na nalalobat. Parang nagkaka-anxiety ako. And dito ko din nilalagay yung rosary ko before ng game. So dinadala ko siya ever since nung prosh. Like every game. And galing siya sa Simala, yung sa Cebu po. Binigay siya ng auntie ko before ako pumunta ng Manila nung first year ako. Okay, yung shirt ko, after training, yung may sentimental value. Ayan. So ito yung favorite shirt ko sa lahat. I hope unicorns believe in me. Okay, ito yung jacket ko. So, may funny part dito. May sentimental value din siya. Kasi, binutasan ko kasi yung jacket. Intentionally. Kasi during games, malamig sa Araneta or like sa mga playing venue. So, ayoko kasi na naninigas yung kamay ko. So, ayan, binatasan ko siya. Pinatasan ko siya, yan, intentionally. Parang gumagalaw yung kamay ko. Ayoko nang hindi siya gumagalaw. Kasi feel ko, pag hindi siya gumagalaw, hindi ko mahawakan yung bola. Sin. Kaya naka-open lang siya always. Next, yung school stuff ko naman. So, nandito first yung ID ko, yung planner, which is, ayan, naka-plan na siya lahat, or like, kung ano yung gagawin. May lab notebook, para siya sa, namin, laboratory. So, may pre-lab kami at saka may post-lab. Ay, yung second to the last, yung sneakers na favorite kong gamitin sa school. Kasi sobrang comfy niya and less hassle. Tsaka wala siyang sako. And dito po yung lahat ng dinadala ko every day, every game. Thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin and see you po sa season na to. Animo Lasal!